Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure you have admin rights and your Windows 11 build is compatible. This prevents permission blocks. Once done, backup chats and any exported contact files so no data is lost. Next, close Skype for business and sign out, then open Task Manager and turn off Auto Start. These steps prepare the system and avoid orphan processes. Now move to Settings to remove the app and check for linked Office components before continuing with the uninstall. You now perform the core uninstall actions. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Skype for Business and choose Uninstall, follow prompts. If Skype for Business is bundled in Office, you must modify Office from Apps and Features or use Control Panel to remove that component. Otherwise, Office may reinstall it. If the normal removal fails, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to detect and clean leftover files and registry entries so the app is fully removed. Finish by restarting your PC to clear in-memory locks and then confirm no Skype processes remain in Task Manager. Make sure to delete any leftover folders in %app data and program files, and carefully remove related registry keys only if you know what they do. If something goes wrong, run system checks. Use SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files, then retry removal. If you still face issues, restore your backup. Reinstall, then uninstall cleanly, or contact IT. This prevents data loss and preserves system stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.